When I was 13 years old, I used to ride my bicycle past this mansion in our neighborhood. Big gate, shining black car, everything looked like a movie. I always wondered who lives here. One day, I asked the security guard, and he smiled and said to me, "Now one man like that, he gets business." That moment changed my mindset forever. Ever since that day, I became obsessed with one question: which business can make someone that rich? So today on Meet Yusuf, I will be showing you 7 powerful industries that are most likely to turn you into a millionaire, even if you are starting small. If you have ever said, "I want to be rich," but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, like, share. Let's get back to business. So the first industry I'll be talking about is the new oil, which is known as the tech industry. You see, if there's one industry turning average people into billionaires, it's the tech industry. For real, I'm not capping. Think about people like Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, or even small startup founders. You don't have to be a genius. You just need to create a solution people want. Create solution to people's problem. For example, a phone app that solves a common problem in Nigeria, like online payment or food delivery or shopping online, can blow up fast. Even if you're not a techie, you can learn coding, digital marketing, cybersecurity, or partner with someone who has that skills. You see, tech is not just the future, it is the present. Get in now while it is still booming. All right. So the second industry I'll talk about is finance and investment. Make money work for you. In the finance and investment, where you make money work for you, you see, this one is obvious but often ignored. People in banking, in cryptocurrency, in forex trading, in stocks, real estate, or personal finance make big money. For you, I'm not capping, all right? Not just from their jobs, but by understanding how money goes. Imagine earning from your money while you sleep. That's what finance professionals do. They earn money while they sleep. And if you don't earn money while you sleep, you're still joking. You can never make it. All right? Start small, learn how money works, read, watch, practice. So the earlier you start investing, the faster you grow. Millionaires don't just earn, they multiply their money. The third industry I'll be talking about is the health and wellness. Health is wealth, literally. So the wellness industry is a multi-trillion-dollar business. People will always pay for their health, from hospitals, supplements, fitness programs, to skincare. They will always pay for that. A gym in your neighborhood, herbal remedies, mobile health clinics. If you can solve a health problem, you are building, you are creating wealth. Even something like selling quality water or clean food. These are high income ideas. You don't have to be a doctor. You just have to offer value that keeps people healthy. That's for real. So the next industry that are most likely to make people a millionaire is the education and online courses. Teach and grow rich. Teach people while you grow rich. So you first need to understand knowledge sells. And thanks to the internet, you can sell what you know worldwide. People are hungry for skills. How to make money, pass examinations, learn languages, or even cook. You see, platforms like YouTube are major universities that you can learn a whole lot of things from. Just like this one I'm creating now. You can learn from Udemy. You can create a personal website which allows you to earn big by teaching people. You can teach people how to speak languages that you know. So if you know anything valuable, package it, sell it, repeat. It scales without limits, trust me. So the next industry that are most likely to make you a millionaire is the e-commerce or drop shipping investment or business. This enables you to buy low and sell smart. It enables you to smell smart and buy low. All right, so let's be honest. Online shopping is king right now. So you don't need a store. You don't even need to hold a product. So with drop shipping, you just list the product, promote it, and get paid. In Nigeria or anywhere, you can sell clothes, you can sell shoes, you can sell gadgets, you can sell perfumes, even food online. You can sell a lot of things. Millionaires are made when you master read that again. Millionaires are made when you master great product, smart marketing, customer service. You can even start with 50K or less. You grow with time. Okay, so the next industry that are most likely to make you be a billionaire, which is the entertainment and media. You see, when you build audience, you build on wealth. When you build your audience, you are building your wealth. Look around. Musicians, influencers, YouTubers, TikTokers, podcasters, they are all cashing out real big. Why? Because attention is money. If you can make people watch, laugh, learn, or feel something, brands will pay you. You can vlog, teach, act, do comedy, even review tech products or even talk politics. As long as people watch, the money follows you. That's one thing. So you need to understand your value, create a value, give people value. Don't underestimate your voice or story. Start creating something. So the seventh industry that are most likely to make you wealthy is the real estate. Let me tell you something. Land never loses its value. Trust me. It never loses. It appreciates. So this is one of the oldest and safest millionaire industries. You see, land is limited, but people are going. Buy low, wait, and sell high. A land that you buy for 200K, you can sell it in 10 years' time for 200 million. I'm not capping. That's for real. So buy low, wait, sell high, or rent it out, or even lease. Small lands in developing areas can turn into gold mine in 3 to 5 years. So you don't need millions to start. Start small, start smart, team up with others, and learn the game. So to wrap this up on the 7 industries that are most likely to make you a millionaire, let's recap quickly the 7 industries that are most likely to make you a millionaire. So we talk about the new oil, which is the tech. We talk about the finance and investment. So we talk about the health and wellness. So we talk about the education and online courses. So we talk about the e-commerce and the dropshipping business. And we talk about the entertainment and media. And the last but not the least, we talk about the real estate. All of them have just one thing in common. They solve problems. They meet needs. And you don't need to be rich to start. Just smart and consistent. So ask yourself, which of these 7 speaks to your soul? Pick one and go all in. If you learned something today, like this video, subscribe to the Meet Yusuf on YouTube, and share it with one person who wants to become a millionaire. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Which industry are you going into? Remember, the earlier you start, the faster you go. Nobody will build your dream for you. You must build it yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.